Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel in the XRP live turn up. Let's go. Let me get back to the comments here. Yeah, just coming back about XRP and the XRP live. Let's go. I remember a lot of people were saying XRP would never do anything. Remember all the people were saying, why are you talking about XRP? I don't want to be the told you so guy, but I think we did tell you that, right? Remember everybody was like, why are you talking about XRP? XRP will never do anything. XRP's done. XRP is over. XRP is done. XRP's already hit an all-time high. It's never going to get back to $3. And here we are at $3. 175.8 billion market cap. And people are talking about it is going to flip Ethereum. I heard a lot of people saying that, of which is probably unlikely, but I'm just here to let you know, right? Just here to spread the word. So what do you think? Do you think Ethereum can get to people saying $100 a token, $300 a token? I've heard $1,000 a token. Uh, the likelihood of it getting over $50 a token this year is very unlikely, right? The FOMO is at an all-time high. People are going crazy. And like I told you earlier this year, just diamond hand and continue to hold. Hold on, let me have my glove on. Just diamond hand and continue to hold. I'm tripping. I'm not even screen sharing. Let me see here. Let me start the screen share. Let's go. So yeah, shout out to the XRP Army. All you guys have been holding on for dear life, been holding on like this for years, right? 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 4 years ago. And you can see here Ethereum is in third place, 177.4 billion. 177 point 174.4, sorry, billion market cap. Ethereum is at a 405. So the likelihood of it's flipping Ethereum this year is rare. It's possible, but people are FOMOing in like crazy. And we told you guys ahead of time, right? Just keep it cool and slowly DCA in, right? I told you to get it when it was down, and people got in and wigged all the way out, right? And now it's on an all-time high. FOMO is going to be unprecedented. Everybody and their mom's making XRP videos. Everybody and their mom's talking about XRP. And this is the time to get in, and this is the time to see, right? So let's see here. I got a news article. I restarted my computer. I had so much set up, but let's see what we can get. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your main man up with a super chat. So this is crypto XRP reaches all-time high above $3. It has now has the $4 plus range in sight. And this is from, actually, this is MSN. XRP priced at an all-time high on Wednesday, potentially opened the path for cryptocurrency to reach as high as 440, one technical analyst says. The third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization climbed as high as $3.02 on Wednesday, an all-time high according to Dow Jones market data. It's up 10% on Wednesday to trade around $2.94 late Wednesday morning. XRP surged as investors closely eyed developments in Security Exchange Commission's appeal of a court ruling against Ripple Labs, which developed the cryptocurrency and its namesake blockchain platform. The SEC sued Ripple Labs and its chief executive Brad Gensinghouse in 2020 alleged that XRP is a digital asset security and that Ripple sold it illegally without registering it with the regulators. In July 2023, a federal judge ruled that XRP is not a security when sold on a digital asset exchange to the general public, but that Ripple's sale to sophisticated institutional investors did not qualify as a unregistered sale of an investment contract and a violation of federal law, which is crazy. That's not high at all. All-time high is about $3 and 33 cents. Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna show some pictures. I got some images on what is that? On Twitter. We're gonna get to that in a minute. What up, Texas crypto? Where you been? Uh the SEC later appealed the court ruling and the agency faced a deadline to file an opening brief on Wednesday. Crypto bulls have been hoping after President-elect Trump returns to the Oval Office on January 20th, which is 5 days from now, the SEC may eventually drop the case. Many crypto industry participants consider current SEC Gary Gensler stance on crypto as hostile, while Trump said he will nominate former SEC Commissioner Paul Atkins, who is known to be friendlier to the crypto sector, to succeed Gensler as the SEC chair. It's going down. So let's see, what is this actually? Let's see what this is saying real quick. See if we can get this to play. Oh wow, would be a commercial, a crummy commercial.
Financial landscape. So, whether you're actively trading or simply fascinated by the volatility that is the crypto markets, this show is your compass to understanding what's happened, where we are, and where we're going.
We all want to believe in something. In Chinese, belief also means trust. We want to trust our systems and each other so we can build a future beyond what we know. Join us at Consensus Hong Kong.
About XRP. XRP surged to $2.90 early today, matching the December high with technical analysis suggesting a continued run higher. So, what's spurring the recent price action? Well, according to sentiment, whales are accumulating the third largest cryptocurrency market cap in significant volumes. Yesterday, the analysis firm tweeted that there is continued enormous accumulation from wallets holding 1 million to 10 million XRP, who own more than 30% of the market cap. Now, according to sentiment, whales are accumulating the third largest cryptocurrency market cap in significant volumes. Yesterday, the analysis firm tweeted that there is continued enormous accumulation from wallets holding 1 million to 10 million XRP, who own more than 37% more coins than they did 2 months ago. In another tweet, Sentiment expressed increased optimism about the asset's potential use in banking and financial transactions.
Let me know if you can hear the video now, Texas crypto. If not, we'll keep pushing. I don't know what's going on with the video. I think it's what is this? CoinDesk.
Highlighting its efficiency, low transaction costs, and role as a bridge.
You gotta be kidding me. A commercial? Another freaking commercial? What is going on?
Payments. The firm also highlighted approval under the Trump administration. Now, in yesterday's episode, we briefly touched on the potential of an XRP ETF in the United States, and it seems that analysts and market watchers feel confident that with the new administration and a friendlier outlook on crypto.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it moving because it is kind of low. I can barely hear it myself. I don't know what's going on. From the technical perspective, as XRT rises above its December's high, it may trigger so-called Fibonacci extension. pattern with a potential of $4.40 for the crypto, according to Alex somebody, chief market analyst at Foreign Exchange FX Pro. Interesting. Actually, not. But let's go back to X and see what the word on the street is. So this is shout out to Turbo. So this is XRP detailed analysis 1 of 2. Read until the end if you want to understand how I currently view the price action and my thoughts on going into the next week. I believe XRP is currently battling its most important resistance zone it's ever faced in its history. Throughout this post, I'm going to share my perspective. And I'm not reading all that. It's on my Twitter page. You can come check it out if you like. Let's start with XRP Bitcoin. Value area of the last 7 years. VWAP all-time high $3.03. XRP denoted in gold. I don't even see gold. Oh. Guess this one was at 14 cents. I wish I'd have picked some more up then, but you can read this analysis for yourself. It's on my Twitter. I'm not going through all that, but I do want to take a second to discuss something. There's a lot of people asking me about airdrops. Do not do a XRP NFT airdrop, right? I've been talking to a lot of people that keep asking me about these airdrops. I wish I had a screenshot. Someone mentioned something about a 2000 XRP. If you open the NFT, don't do that, right? Don't get greedy. If you got XRP tokens, just hold on to them, guys. Don't get greedy and try to go after these airdrops and lose your tokens. A lot of these airdrops are NFTs are going to drain your wallet, right? Just a word from the wise. I did one of these on one of my smaller wallets a long time ago, and it drained the wallet. So just be careful. Don't get greedy. Just continue to hold. So this is shout out to my guy Oliver on this share. Customer Spotlight DBank launched a secure custody solution for tokenized bonds and securities. With Ripple Custody, they're simplifying. Yes, when Ripple provides custody solutions, the XRP ledger, XRPL is utilized. Ripple Custody platform known as Ripple Custody integrates with XRPL to enable businesses to tokenize and manage a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and real world assets. This integration allows for the insurance and security transfer of digital assets directly from the platform. Additionally, it provides access to the XRPL native decentralized exchange, facilitating efficient and low fee trading of any tokenized asset. What? The XRPL is decentralized public blockchain designed for high performance, low transaction costs, and making it suitable for various use cases, including payments and tokenization. By leveraging XRPL, Ripple Custody offers a secure, scalable solution for digital asset custody, enabling businesses to build and scale new business models in the digital asset economy. So I was talking to someone as well, and they mentioned with the XRP cross border payments, they will be able to transfer uh, tokens, right? Like money. And this XRP or XRPL system, or what is that? RXL? Was it R? The XRP token could be used to replace, could could be used to replace HCA payments as we know it. And that would be beyond major, right?
Reserve Bank is quite happy, and we're a bit proud that we're one of the
Let's
first
see if we
banks in
can
Germany which really built
boost this volume a little bit.
their digital custody platform going live. We can serve our clients dealing with settlement and custody of digital assets, focusing on crypto securities according to the German securities law.
Beginning of 2023, we then decided that we should best work together with Ripple Custody.
The need of digital asset is just trying to find optimized processes and new products. And therefore, we have to think about new technologies, and DLT and blockchain is one which can help us to serve our clients better.
Digital ledger technology aims at improving existing capital market processes. This is how we see distributed ledger technology. These two processes, distributed ledger as well as existing capital markets business, will coexist the next decades.
So that was from Ripple. Question: Visual Vendetta. Yes, I think they did file the lawsuit, but I think that the next administration will not honor the lawsuit. I think they're going to throw it out. But don't quote me on that. But that is the general consensus. And why is this sound booster not working? Hold on 1 second. Let's see if we can figure out what let me see if I can get this. But yeah, they did file something, but they don't think it's actually going to continue. So we're just trying to wait and see what comes on about the lawsuit that the previous SEC filed. There we go. Maybe this worked. Let's see if this helped.
But the market cap of BlackRock share.
There we go.
Ripple's XRP now has a larger market cap than BlackRock. Just let that sink in. XRP has pumped by more than 12% in the last 24 hours and has been one of the strongest performers over the last few days, even when crypto prices in general were taking an absolute beating. It's now the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap and is up nearly 400% this year. Meanwhile, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with over $7 trillion in assets under management, or AUM. It is an absolute beast of a company and is famous in crypto circles for issuing IBIT, the largest spot Bitcoin ETF. But the market cap of BlackRock shares can't keep up with the growth of XRPs. So, why exactly is XRP performing so strongly? Well, it's a combination of factors. First up, XRP has one of the strongest communities in crypto behind it. Ripple is an American company, and in case you missed it, America is about to inaugurate its first ever pro-crypto president, and that president recently had dinner with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Add to that the fact that Ripple's arch nemesis, current SEC Chair Gary Gensler, is set to leave the agency in a few days' time, and, well, perhaps it's not all that surprising that XRP has been pumping harder than Arnie in his prime. So, the big question now is, will XRP someday flip ETH to become the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap? Now, not so long ago, that notion would have sounded absolutely crazy. How times change.
Yeah, that is kind of weird. I like this cool XRP King picture. Shout out to RB. Daily news. XRP spikes 12% as whales continue enormous accumulation. IL Elizabeth Labs ships white papers for Web3 native AI agent. Malaysia much crypto. I thought these were all XRP. Apparently not. So we're going to keep moving. XRP finally reaches $3.16. So here we go. Google reports the Federal Reserve is preparing to adopt XRP as a global payment solution. In addition, Ripple's reportedly repurchasing XRP to shift it from retail investors to institutional ownership. So, like I said, continue to hold. Don't sell or FOMO in to the new price action. Yes, the Federal Reserve plans to take ownership of Ripple XRP as a global payment solution. Is Ripple buying back XRP as part of their buyback program? Yes, Ripple is buying back XRP as part of their buyback program to take it out of retail hands and into institutional hands. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Today, XRP broke 180 billion in market cap as it passed up three major telecom companies in market cap. So XRP is bigger than Verizon, and then like Verizon anyway. T-Mobile, 157.9 billion. Verizon, 161 billion, and I guess DTE is AT&T. And I didn't know T-Mobile was bigger than AT&T. Maybe this is T-Mobile. I don't know. So I didn't know T-Mobile was that close to Verizon. And this is AT&T maybe, and this is Verizon. I mean, T-Mobile. Regardless, I thought Verizon was a little bigger, but not literally a little bigger. But either way it go, interesting information. So let's see what Rodney had to say about it.
Is on the way. And that's because President-elect Donald Trump says he's going to revamp the SEC's crypto policy and may pause all enforcement. Now, this is absolutely huge. Why is this huge? Because Ripple has been battling with the SEC for the last 4 years, and it stifled the price of XRP. Remember, we actually hit an all-time high of $3.80 back in 2018. So that means during this last bull cycle, the top of 2021, XRP couldn't even hit an all-time high. And that was because of all that litigation. But now it seems like the path is clear for projects like XRP and many other ISOs. So if you're not bullish, it's time to strap in and get bullish because it's only going up from here. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments down below.
Definitely only going up for here. So let me know. What do you think the next leg up for XRP will be? XRP hits above $3. Who is this? This is Armando. XRP hit a 5-year high due to institutional accumulation and expected positive news from the SEC this week.
Huge amounts of XRP leading up to the inauguration on January. This is huge news. XRP just got to a 5-year high, hitting almost $3 early this morning. A lot of investors are expecting positive news out of the appeal this week. Whales, institutions, and banks are accumulating huge amounts of XRP leading up to the inauguration on January 20th. Many retail and institutional investors are watching XRP and Ripple closely this month. XRP was one of the biggest opportunities I've ever seen in cryptocurrency. The SEC, due to their investigation, with all of that drama, the price of XRP was pressed too low, and it was a classic case of blood in the streets. I truly expect to see XRP at $8 to $25 this cycle. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts in the comments below? Follow me for more on XRP stocks, tech, and investing. This is huge news.
Wow, 8 to
Many retail and institutional
$25.
investors.
So I'm pretty much seeing the whole gamut of investing, actually. So let me know what you guys think about it as well. And let's see here. Actually, let me go back to the video earlier we're looking at that you guys couldn't hear. And then we'll check out YouTube. Let's see, where is it? Wait. Oh no, I closed out the article. Dang it. Dang it. Well, that doesn't help. Oh well. Actually, no, I think I can find it. I think it was here. Okay, we'll check this out while I'm looking for that article.
XRP goes parabolic today, crossing $3. What is the next main price target and Bitcoin touches $100,000. Are we in the midst of the recovery?
Let's pause that video. Trying to go back to the article we were looking at earlier. It was an MSN article. I guess they took it down or they moved it. Let's see, because there was that news article in the video. I don't see it. Dang it. So look at this. The SEC files last minute opening briefs against Ripple challenging the 2023 ruling. We knew they would. Gensler's not going down without a fight. The U.S. SEC is willing to continue its year-long battle against the blockchain-powered cross-border repayment provider Ripple. However, Ripple's chief legal officer, Stewart, termed the case as noise and believes the case will be dismissed in the next administration. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has filed the opening brief to escalate its legal battle against blockchain-based digital payment network Ripple with only a few hours before the deadline elapsed. Of course they did. In October last year, U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit ordered that the U.S. SEC versus Ripple and its executive brief be filed on or before January 15th. Failure to do so, which the appeal would be dismantled. They definitely waited to the last minute on that. Ruling showed that SEC's challenging the judge, Annalise Torres, July 13, 2023 ruling. It just won't give up. Just won't give up. Get a life. SEC needs to get something to do. Why don't you look at regulations or something? Check on the Federal Reserve, maybe. The court documents revealed that the regulators seek to challenge the part of July 13, 2023 ruling by the New York judge Annalise Torres that categorized XRP tokens differently when dispensed to retail and institutional investors. Okay, here we go. CoinDesk again.
Users worldwide.
Let's take a look at the chart of the day. Ripple's XRP spiking 14% to an all-time high above $3 Wednesday morning in New York, regaining buyer sentiment seen in December with technical analysis suggesting a continued run higher. XRP and Doge are leading crypto price gains as the altcoin-heavy CoinDesk 20 index outperforms Bitcoin. There is great anticipation over the SEC's January 15th appeal deadline to challenge a ruling that XRP is not a security. The decision allowed U.S. crypto exchanges to relist XRP and for firms to file applications for spot XRP ETFs, creating burgeoning interest in the token. SEC Chair Gary Gensler will resign on Monday, and many predict the agency under his fleeting tenure will challenge the ruling. That's it for today's chart of the day. I'm Christine Lee. We'll see you next time to unpack more of the data behind top news stories.
I wish I can find the Coin Bureau story from earlier. And is this it? No. No. Let's see if we can find this. President. No, let's see. Who is this? Celinda. XRP's 100 billion tokens to be in supply. They need to buy from retail, of course. 100 billion is a lot to us, but not to institutional investors, right? They got enough to keep it pushing, right? They're talking about banks like JP Morgan Chase and the big boys, not a retail. I doubt retail has 100 billion sitting around, but banks do. We see. Actually, we already read that article. Interesting. Watch this. So let's go to YouTube and see what's crack-a-lacking on the tube. You see. I was watching an article earlier. See if I can find that. Let's see here. Get new news. But again, don't get any what is that? Do not attach your wallet to any NFTs and get your wallet drained, right? I'm just trying to save you guys a lot of heartbreak and grief. And what is this? Genza Ripple bull run about to explode. Is that for real? Why would Genza be talking live at freaking 11 o'clock at night? Let's see. Donald Trump confirmed most bullets. No. 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 Hey, here we go. My main man, Stock Mo. Oh no.
And I got some information too.
Let's see what Stock Mo has to say.
And I got some information to enlighten everyone because it's already out there now. We know it's public. And of course, the market responded right to the level that I had. Those who said we'd reach a certain level was resist, but I want to get into this first. I want to show you what I'm talking about first, and let's go ahead and take a look at this. Mrs. Mo has this in her channel. She did some absolutely fantastic research, and of course, for those who know, you know what's going on with XRP and the SEC. Well, the SEC has filed a scheduling notification pursuant, you get all this big stuff, as the brief filing date. And the brief must be filed on or before January 15th. That's today, folks. That's today. So you see this nice run up today. We don't know. You know, everybody's kind of crossing their fingers. Maybe they won't do it. Maybe good things will happen and we won't have to deal with it anymore. And it'll be over because we know Trump wants this and old Uncle Paulie wants that. And look, a motion to extend the time to file the brief or to seek other relief will not toll the filing date. So there was a lot of things. The appeal is dismissed effective January 15th if the brief is not filed by that date. Well, that's today, right? And that's what everybody's waiting for. Well, bad news, folks. They filed. And here you go. Of course, you know, it wasn't like we shouldn't expect it, but the page proof brief and special appendix of the Securities and Exchange Commission is right here. Now, you guys can go out and Google this and find it and read all of this. But for me, I'm not going to do that 100 and something pages of this thing. It's a lot.
Yes, Tracy, they did already file the brief. But the consensus is the brief will probably get thrown out because I don't think the new administration is interested in keeping the Ripple versus SEC case going.
But that's what happens. So what happened after that? You see what happens after the filing. You have this massive blow off top, hoping. We got the hopium out there. They're passing it around. That they're not going to do anything. Maybe Trump had some swing. Maybe we don't know. And at the end of the day, they did file. But the good news, I had what I told you would be support. And that support, as we look at this chart, was roughly around 290. So after we get up there, we have this major pump all the way up to 320 roughly. That's freaking incredible. I love it. And then shoom, down it goes all the way down to about 291, right around 292, 291. So it hits that 320, drops basically almost 10% because, you know, the news isn't good. But where's it hit? It hits off the support because we know going forward, we're going to have many better days. Now, the good news for everyone watching this, well, look at this right here. We got the RSI on the daily back down to 69, way out of that danger zone. And as we continue to look, it's good. We're off that support and we're bouncing back up. Now, give you a little update on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5, and then the hour. Let's take a look at everything. So at this particular moment, you had that monster drop off. Down we go, and it hit hard. And from there, we rallied in the bread bot, which if you guys haven't joined the Discord, you're going to want to get in there. First link, get over here. You can save 50% right now. Get in there because you can get access to the breadbot charts, which are fire. If you want to do a 15% off the whole year, which I do recommend, we've got thousands of members, great stuff, and candle down all the way down below the 50, back up to the 50, teasing the 50. As I speak, you can see the 50s getting to be the main support between the bears and the bulls. And that's the $1 million question. Are we going to stay above or go below? So that's on the minute chart. That's what's happening up to this second. But now when you go out to the 5-minute chart, it looks a little bit different because you can go out. I always say the longer candles give us a better idea. Well, we have this monster run up right now. I'm going to try to make people understand this. This is a beauty. So I'm going to do a fib retracement on this. So boom, all the way up, boom. Where do you think we're going to go? We're going to basically go all the way down to 61.8%, which is here. But then we actually dropped down to the next level and then skyrocketed it back up. That, my friends, is I'm posting that right on because of the SEC. That's what I'm seeing. So now we're back up to the 50 EMA. And we get up there, we confirm above, and then we don't. It does an instant reversal, which can happen. The breadbot points this out, and you can see we have a bear or a bullish, and then an instant, what I call a hand slap across the face, reversal back down. And now we want to see if we can reverse right back up if we're going to play the 50. Because everybody's pricing in this. They're pricing it in, what's happening, they're reading that. They probably got their AI bots out there reading everything and seeing how this is going to go moving forward. And of course, the arguments of the SEC and everything else. So with that being said, let's do a couple more technicals on this because right now you got the 5-minute and then I like to go to the hour to see what's going on. Just doing the technicals alone. Now at this point, I'm just showing you the technicals. And on the hour chart, you can see we had this nice little run. Of course, boom, up we go. We're all the way up into the 320s and then a nasty fall. We know what that is now. Then you come out to the next hour. What do you see? You see a little green candle there working above the 13 EMA. So this green candle, man, that's nice, right? Starts out at what? $3 on the dot. Now we're up to 303. It's starting to work its way up. I'd like to finish above the 5 EMA, which is also at 303. So we got the candle and the EMAs meeting up right now. And I'd like to see a couple of candles. And I'll tell you what's going to make me feel all warm and fuzzy. We need to have a closing candle above 314. This thing has legs then. Now the beauty for the hour candles, look at the RSI. It's at 63 right here. Let me move this out. 63 in a beautiful zone. In other words, we are looking good. It got above 75 just a couple of candles ago. We have all the news come out. It drops. Boom. There you go. We are seeing what's happened. And at this point, I'm feeling really warm and fuzzy. We know once Trump gets down there and does his inauguration, starts doing executive actions, has Paulie Atkins in office doing, or I should say down there at the SEC doing what he's going to do, it is so exciting because I think there's going to be tons and tons of positive days like we had today where you wake up and you're just loving it. Like they're coming out with announcements and, you know, it's like I always like to think of it like this. It's just Christmas 3.0 where you just don't know. This Christmas is a little different than your normal Christmas. Normal Christmas, we know it's on December 25th. You wake up, kids are running around, kicking you in the face, you're getting gifts. Christmas 3.0 is this. We don't know when we're going to wake up and they're giving us gifts, but they're going to happen. It's going to happen. I'm telling you, Christmas 3.0, man, it's the new generation of Christmas. We don't know what day it's going to happen. So there you go. It's going to be one of them days you wake up and there's gifts under the tree and you're happy because all of a sudden they announced something that's really positive for maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, maybe XRP. But these things come out, and you can say, what about when I look at Ethereum, I think the spot ETFs having staking allowed, which that could go forward for a lot of different cryptos, US based cryptos as well. ADA, I'm looking at you. You know what I'm talking about. We got some opportunities out there for US based cryptos that I'm excited about. Yeah. XRP, we're going to watch to see how XRP and the spot ETFs could be allowed. I don't think it's could. I think it's a matter of time for that. And it's going to happen in 2025. That's going to be one of the biggest opportunities for XRP to possibly push XRP up to that next crazy high. That is one of the big ones. And of course, whatever they can do down there in the SEC to take this venom away from all this attacking and these appeals and all the claims and filings and everything else out there. So I am watching this at this point. Now, go out to the daily chart now let's go to the 4-hour chart on this. Now, on the 4-hour chart, it looks a little different, right? Yes, you're right. So we have this nice run, and of course, we have a 4-hour red. A nice run, red. Nice run, massive red back down, but it's pushing back up. In other words, we're looking pretty good. This is a strong bullish move on this. The RSI got up there a little bit. We are now at 68 on the 4-hour candles as well. So a strong run. It's never unheard of to see it pull back a little bit and people take a little bit of profit. And then, of course, on the daily chart, you guys know I love this. We got the stock mo unicorn. I called it. No. Who else is out there saying stock mo unicorn? I called it before it even happened, and we weren't even close to it. I showed you when it was like right here, and I said at this point, you're going to have a stock mo unicorn horn coming out, and it did. For everybody that rode with me, you made tons of money. Let me know down below if you did ride with me, and say it like you mean it. I'm going to be a crypto millionaire because we're just getting started, and I'm pumped. If you like this channel, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the little bell for notification, but more importantly, get me up to 2,000 likes because family, we're in this for the long haul, and I'm loving what I'm seeing, even with all the things happening today.
Shout out to Stock Mo for that analysis. So let me know in the comments or in the chat, who do you think, what do you think the next price for XRP will be, right? What is your XRP price prediction? Let's see here. I did find some more interesting things though. So let's see. Strange, the SEC files an appeal once SEC breaks the all-time high, which is kind of weird, right? You had all year and you wait until the last minute on January 15th and file it at 10 o'clock, which is 11 o'clock Eastern time, right before it expires at midnight. It's almost if these clowns are complicit in the market manipulation. The Trump administration couldn't come quick enough. And smells like I was right about XRP. This is hilarious. This is too hilarious. I need to get those candles and start selling them like crazy. That's going to be an all-time banger. Smells like I was right about XRP. Breaking news. JP Morgan predicts Solana and XRP ETFs could attract 3 to 8 billion in new investments if approved, with the SEC's decision expected by late January. So we're looking at another pump in late January. Figure 10 BTC and Ethereum ETPs make up only 3 to 6% of total token market cap. Figure 11 Solana XRP ETPs could attract 3 to 8 billion by Ethereum and Bitcoin penetration standards. Sizing Solana XRP ETP opportunity, possible assets in the first 6 to 11 months. Solana 6% penetration, 5.2 billion. Solana at 3% penetration, 2.7 billion. XRP at 6% penetration, 8.4 billion. That's what I'm talking about. XRP at 3% penetration, 4.3 billion. Think about it, right? These guys are saying, don't buy it, don't buy it, don't buy it. They buy it up. They turn around and now they're trying to say to buy up the retail investor side so that you can't buy it. Then they're going to turn around and sell you ETFs, right? If that's not manipulation, I don't know what is. So this is right about what concerning XRP. Seeking my creator. Right about what concerning XRP. Not 100% sure I understand that question, but let's click to this next little video and I guess we'll shut it down. This is Thinking Crypto. XRP goes parabolic $3. Coin 100K, higher prices incoming.
And move to new all-time highs. I'll share the details with you. I'll break down the charts. Let's get into it. Hey, everybody, welcome into the Thinking Crypto podcast, your home for cryptocurrency news and interviews. I'm your host, Tony Edward. On your way in, please hit that subscribe button, as well as the thumbs up button, and leave a comment below. If you're listening on a podcast platform such as Spotify or Apple, please leave a 5-star rating and review. Folks, what an exciting day. Bitcoin touched $100,000 once again. It's currently just over $100,000 at the time of recording. Ethereum was moving. It's over $3,400, but the story of the day is XRP. It went up to $3.15. It is up near 31% over the past 7 days. Currently, at the time of recording, it's at $3.07. Very, very bullish move here from XRP, a parabolic surge. And as we've been talking about, guys, not our feelings and emotions, but XRP has been leading the current altcoin rally. And this is a very good sign if you hold altcoins, even if you don't hold XRP. Now, I hold XRP, so I'm happy it's going up, but I also want to see Ethereum and the others move because I am diversified. And of course, we're all watching the Bitcoin chart to see, is this the reversal to new highs? Well, guys, I'm not sure yet. And I know some of you are going to get upset and triggered because you want to know the winning lottery numbers, right? But we don't have a crystal ball. And we have to be careful because what did the market do to us, guys, over the past 2 weeks? It set a bull trap, right? We got a fake out. The bulls got faked out, and then we had a big dump. Then all of a sudden, we're seeing a pump. Is this the fake out of the bears, right? Is the market flushing out both the bulls and bears, and we're now going to pump to higher highs? It's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. It is possible. That is one scenario. There's also the other scenario that we chop a bit more before we break out. And there could be potentially a buy the rumor, sell the news event with Donald Trump's inauguration because he's pro-crypto. So I've been here long enough, I've been around the block to know the market can do these things, and you can have what's called suckers rally, and you don't want to be a sucker. Now, as always, when in doubt, zoom out. Guys, we're headed to new all-time highs this year. Make no mistake about that. I'm a macro bull. In the short term, I have to wait and see what the market decides to do. But one good sign is XRP is just ripping. So huge green candle on the daily, guys. It is breaking bull flags after bull flags. Here, one analyst said XRP, $3.15, clean bull flag breakout. Beautiful, beautiful chart here. And Crypto Wizard says, must see XRP chart, rocket fuel for XRP inbound. The XRP Bitcoin chart has accumulated for 2,016 days. A breakout will fuel a rally to $4 and higher. So the chart doesn't lie here, guys. This is very, very bullish. The XRP Bitcoin chart just looks really good. Now, as always, expect volatility. Nothing goes up in a straight line, just like XRP's pulling back a bit here, right? Repump. We hit resistance, we pull back, build support levels, then we break through resistance and rinse and repeat. This is how it goes, right? Until you hit the blow off top and then a bear market comes in. So just keep that in mind. But guys, if you're an XRP holder, you got to be happy. And the haters are crying right now. They're in disbelief. But the market doesn't care about your feelings or emotions. And that goes for everybody, including me. So this is why I've learned to check my emotions at the door and look at the data, look at the charts, and see what it's telling us. So huge bullish day, guys. And as I've stated, guys, my prediction for this market, as far as all-time high for XRP, is between $8 to $10. And I'm going to start to take profits as we hit $5, laddering out. I'm not selling all at the same time, but just slowly taking profits out, because I've been buying XRP since about 10 cents, 15 cents, going back to 2016 into 2017. So friendly reminder, have a cash out plan. Whether you hold XRP or hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, SUI, Solana, whatever, know at which price points you're taking profits at, because the bull market will not last forever. There will be a blow off top in a bear market, guys. So make sure you walk away from this bull market with money in your pocket, with gains. That's very important, because I've went through bull markets where I thought it's going to keep going and I didn't know better, right? I wasn't educated about charts and macro factors and the market cycles. And financial education is so important. And I wrote it up and then wrote it down, and was certainly kicking myself in the bear market that I should have sold some and got some profits off the table. But you live and you learn, and I'm trying to pass that education down to you guys, especially those of you who are new. My OGs who have been here for multiple cycles, you know the deal. But make sure you have a plan, guys, and be prepared for the blow off top to come earlier than possible. I'm not saying it will happen earlier than possible. Just be prepared as an educated investor that we could see this thing wrap up by April or May. Or it's a normal 4-year cycle, lengthy move up to October of this year, November of this year, and we see the blow off top, right? We'll just have to wait and see. No guarantees, of course. We just have to follow the charts closely, pay attention, have our cash out plan, and walk away from this bull market with money in our pockets, guys. Now, I've been telling you guys that this cycle, the sentiment around XRP is very different. I am seeing mainstream financial accounts and even just general YouTubers and so forth talking about XRP. And I'll give some examples here. Louis C.K., the comedian, tweeted out XRP the next Bitcoin, he asked, and he tweeted that out today. Dave Portnoy tweeted out a chart of XRP pumping. These are mainstream people, not crypto people, and they are talking about XRP. Very, very different, guys. The sentiment is very bullish among the crowd. So get ready. XRP is just going to do really well this cycle. Other coins are going to do well also. And like I told you guys, I'm diversified. So I'm not an XRP maxi. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. I'm a make money maxi. So just understand where I'm coming from, guys. I'm trying to get as much money out of this bull market to pay off debt, spend some money and upgrade my lifestyle, put money in my retirement, help my family out and things like that. Those are my goals, not to go buy a Lamborghini and a yacht or something, right? I'm just trying to get more financial freedom, guys. So free up time to do what the hell I want, whether it's playing guitar, travel, whatever it is, right? That to me is success, not necessarily to have a mansion and so forth, but to eliminate as much debt, have that retirement cushion and much more. So everybody has different financial goals. That's just me being transparent with you guys. And guys, a great place you can buy XRP, Bitcoin, and other altcoins is on Uphold. This is a platform I've been using since 2018. I trust them. I never had any issues with them. They have 300 plus cryptocurrencies on their platform. They are 100% reserve. They have a ton of tokens that you can go check out. They got stable coins. In fact, they launched a rewards program where they're giving up to 5.25% on stable coins. And if you participate in this rewards program, you can get up to 24-hour early access on new tokens and exclusive crypto insights. So how do you unlock these benefits and yield? You got to open the app once per month, deposit $50 once per month, and trade $50 once per month. So which stablecoins do they support? Ripple's RLUSD, USDC from Circle, PayPal's PYUSD. You get 5% on those. And they have USBC where you get 5.25%. So this is really great. I interviewed Uphold's CEO recently. He highlighted the safety and where the yield is coming from. So there's no shady business happening here. And like I said, guys, you can get 24-hour early access to many coins. So I'm parking some cash in the RLUSD stablecoin and earn some 5% on that. So this is a really great offer, guys. So if you'd like to learn more about Uphold, check out the link in the description. Now, guys, scumbag regulator Gary Gensler filed the appeal. They filed the opening brief in their appeal against Ripple. But we all know it's bullshit. The market doesn't even believe this because they know the SEC loss, right? The SEC loss on the major aspects and all the lies they tried to throw at Ripple's CEO and Chris Larson as well. All of that got thrown out. So Gary's doing some last minute scumbag activities before he hands in his keys to the SEC building and his laptop. He's out next week. And here's what Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderati, had to say. As expected, the SEC's appeal brief is a rehash of already failed arguments and likely to be abandoned by the next administration. We'll respond formally in due time. For now, know this, the SEC's lawsuit is just noise. A new era of pro-innovation regulation is coming, and Ripple is thriving. Now, today, guys, I interviewed Hester Peirce, SEC Commissioner. I'll be publishing that interview soon, so make sure you subscribe. And we got reports here that Donald Trump's SEC to revamp crypto policy and may pause enforcement, Reuters report. So some of this I discussed with Hester Peirce. I think, guys, they're going to drop a lot of the regulation by enforcement. We could see some of the non-fraud cases be dropped and possibly faster settlements. So we're entering a new era. Gensler's out, and there will be more accountability because you have a pro-crypto president and a pro-crypto Congress. So there's no longer a division or confusion. It's everybody's on the same page here. Now, we got some Litecoin news. So Canary Funds just filed an amended S1 for their Litecoin ETF filing. No guarantees, but this might be indicative of the SEC engagement on the filing. Still no 19B-4 filing yet, though. This is from James Seyfert at Bloomberg. Eric Balachunas at Bloomberg weighed in and said, we had heard chatter that the Litecoin S1 had gotten comments back from the SEC. This looks to confirm that, which bodes well for our prediction that Litecoin is most likely to be the next coin approved. All that said, new SEC chair has yet to start, and that's a huge variable. So change with Paul Atkins coming in, but could Litecoin be the next one approved? It's possible. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Litecoin has a futures market because it's been around for a long time. XRP and Solana and these don't have futures markets. So that's the big question. And I discussed that with Hester Peirce as well. So we'll have to see. Maybe they change things. And kind of Hester, when she answered my question about this, she kind of hinted that things may change. You know, it may not have to go the futures route in order to get these ETFs approved. Now, Eleanor Terrett added some context saying Solana ETFs were also getting engagement from the staff, but the 19B4s were then rejected. Granted, that was a few weeks ago with the SEC still under Gary Gensler, who's out in 3 business days. Will be interesting to see the state of play / timeline for Litecoin, XRP, and Solana ETF. So things are changing. We're going to see a much more favorable environment, obviously. So we just have to be patient, let Paul Atkins get in, and we could see some of these things get fast-tracked. Now, HBAR, which there is a ETF filing for HBAR as well, and I hold this in my portfolio.
Seeking my creator. Should people clarify their accounts on Uphold by giving them social security numbers? This I don't know about. I'm not even sure where that came from. So I'm not sure where you got that information from or what that question even came from. I understand what you meant now about what concerning XRP. And that question answer is telling people to keep holding it to continue the diamond hand. No, man, you might have to get XRP directly from Ledger. No, you can get it from Uphold. You should be able to get it from what is this? Uphold, Ledger, Zelcore, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Phantom, Tangent, MetaMask, possibly. But yeah, there should be plenty of places to get it. What is that? Trade Ogre. Not that I recommend Trade Ogre, but you could get it from Trade Ogre as well. And I'm not sure about the whole Uphold. I ain't giving nobody my social security number. Not for no crypto. and I already got it. So why would I give them my social security number if I already got it, right? What are they going to do? Take it from Uphold? That'd be kind of weird. But thanks for your questions. But continue to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys have any more questions. We're going to finish this video and call it a night.
Hedera announced they have joined the Decentralized AI Society, DIAS Global, if I'm saying that right, to champion ethical transparency and decentralized AI together with Web3 and AI leaders. We're bridging enterprises with decentralized tech to build a fairer digital future. They said here we'll be working with the society members to shape global standards and promote interoperability, transparency, and privacy in the hashtag DAI landscape. We're also excited to support the DAIS Global Decentralized AI Salon during the World Economic Forum in Davos. I'm bullish on Hedera. As mentioned, I have the HBAR token in my portfolio, and they continue to build and expand and form partnerships. So this is really great. We'll be working. They can transparency and privacy in the hashtag DAI landscape. We're also excited to support the DAIS Global Decentralized AI Salon during the World Economic Forum in Davos. I'm bullish on Hedera. As mentioned, I have the HBAR token in my portfolio, and they continue to build and expand and form partnerships. So this is really great. Final news item here. Oklahoma becomes the 6th state to introduce the strategic Bitcoin reserve policy, enabling the state to buy Bitcoin once passed into law. That means we are now halfway to our goal of achieving 12 states to introduce SBR bills. This is from Dennis Porter of the Satoshi Act Fund. I had Dennis on the podcast, if you guys recall, just about a month ago. Great guy, doing amazing work, working with many legislators in the states and on the federal level. And
Wow, I'm up here really talking on mute. So yeah, you are right. I did put my social security number in Uphold. So you are correct. I just checked. It is there. Um, of H bar, I'm not sure. I know about it. I never really looked at it or invested. These guys are saying, get it, get it, get it. Influencers are talking about it. All of a sudden, they stopped talking about it. Then it pumped, and now they're back talking about it. So I don't know. I would say there probably might be a price. Let me see. What is it? Under $1 might be worth checking into. I don't know. Immutables $1. Caspa's up 9%. Xeno's up 9%. Landwolf is up 19. AIZ 16's up 12. Hoppy's up 12.8. Lithium is up 5%. Osmosis might be one to keep an eye on. Is up 5%. Popcat's up 5%. Mog's up 2%. XRP's up 7.9%. Uniswap also probably something to keep an eye on. Getting back in FET. Let's see, what is FET up? 4%. Trying to go ahead and grab some. A lot of people are talking about quant. I don't know how you guys feel about quant. Generally don't go after anything over $10 outside of Solana, Bitcoin, and actually just Solana and Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rest I kind of go after these low cap jewels and Turbo Caspa. Hoppy's look like it's doing a little something. It's actually pretty cheap too. I might throw a couple dollars in Hoppy. But I guess that's it for the evening. I might pick up tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want to do another XRP recap tomorrow. I think the buzz will probably die down a little bit, so there might not be a lot more information about, might not be a lot more interest in XRP tomorrow. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your main man, BTM. Thanks for joining. Thanks for spending your night with your main man, BTM. And remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.